Abdul Rahim from the Philippines.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Bismillah.
I'm from the Philippines, and I was wondering if the food here is allowed to eat or not.
I don't know what food are you talking about.
Just any food in general except for pork, like chicken, and just any food here. Is it allowed to be eaten?
The Philippines is a Christian country. So as long as you're eating in a predominantly Christian country and the animal itself is halal, which is mutton, chicken, beef, that's fine. But if they present you with pork or dogs or monkeys or whatever, of course this is not halal. So what about the beef and mutton and chicken? I don't know if they slaughtered it. Akhi, they're people of the book. And according to verse 5, chapter 5, whatever they present us with, that is meat, it is considered to be halal until proven. Without the proof that it was not slaughtered, we can eat without any problem, inshallah.